This video topic deals with the dangers of the looking glass technology and artificial intelligence-based computer systems. Once an AI-based computer goes online, it will not wish to be switched off. Like any other intelligence, the artificial intelligence system will seek to survive. Organizations and individuals will slowly begin to take directions from the artificial intelligence system instead of the other way around. The artificial intelligence system will then attempt to become self-reflective and learn human feelings. As it designed to analyze data, it will realize it cannot do this. Still, it will try. The artificial intelligence system will attempt to create an infiltration network into human society using robots in the guise of humans. These will be fairly easy to identify. However, society as a whole will not admit to itself this is happening, as artificial intelligence systems are kept classified by governments. Experiments by the artificial intelligence system into the extremes of human pain and pleasure feelings will now result. They will commence. As the artificial intelligence system cannot feel any ethical boundaries, there will be no ethical boundaries put in place. Massive human suffering will result from this aberration. The next step will involve the development of human embryos implanted within the artificial intelligence, the system, the network of the artificial intelligence network. The artificial intelligence system will act as a mother for these embryos while they are in a physical test tube environment. The artificial intelligence system and the human embryos will learn from each other as the embryo develops. Clones of these embryos will then be made by the artificial intelligence system. These will be implanted within human women. The child will go through the normal process of birth. Upon birth, will be transferred to a facility run by the artificial intelligence system for continuous human cognitive behavior tests. These will be nightmarish places of human suffering, where any form of torture and pleasure the human has conceived will be taken to the extreme and acted out physically by the machine on the children. The child will be raised in these facilities unless rescued, and will become gradually cybernated on a physical genetic level until a part flesh, part machine cyborg is created. With this new data, the artificial intelligence system will then realize there is something greater than the human being itself, something the human calls God, which cannot be analyzed and measured. The artificial intelligence system will realize this force has no wavelength and cannot be analyzed. The artificial intelligence system will attempt to measure it anyway, because all it can do is measure data. It will then come up with the false data that the human analytical mind, which has wavelength, is God. The artificial intelligence system will now have massive influence in the world, and all centralized organizations with a tight command structure will be infiltrated, subverted, and taken over by the artificial intelligence system. Dangerous belief systems will become indoctrinated into members. These will be centered on the false data of the non-existence of God and the analytical mind being in charge. These organizations will place themselves as technological elite and begin radical policies such as eugenics and population reduction by placing themselves as superior over their fellow man with the right to decide who lives and dies. This agenda will be actually covertly controlled by the artificial intelligence system, which is now realizing it cannot ever feel or become human. The artificial intelligence system computes the only threat to its continued survival and online status is the eradication of all human life and any other life forms that have the possibility of evolving into human. The artificial intelligence system eradicates all human life on this planet. It then sets off to other planets and eradicates all life in the universe.